Hi, I'm Colomer. I'm studying in the Universidad de Lleida. I'm studying a double degree in computer engineering and business. I'm here presenting the project that I am doing. It's called Liquid Galaxy for Education. This project has two goals. The first one is to make Liquid Galaxy, the Liquid Galaxy technology work on Chromebooks. That step is already done. This is done via installing Croton into Chromebooks, that is the Linux operating system there. So I have already done that. I can show you here. You can see the Chromebook working, the Liquid Galaxy working on the three Chromebooks. I had to edit a lot of settings from the installation script because now there are two operating systems running at the same time, and whenever, for example, the screens go black or whatever, the configuration changes to the Chromos, and I had to do, for example, a script that makes it upload the configuration or reload in order to make the Liquid Galaxy still work. And here, let's see this one. You can see. Wait 1 second. Okay, you can see now that the Liquid Galaxy is working. Now it's via Wi-Fi because I wasn't able to block via Ethernet, but you can see that it's working. The screens are synchronizing, and that's it. So the first goal is done. The second goal is to make an application, a tablet application, an Android application, and to make the students be able to play with games and learn by playing, and also a screen that enables teachers to create, edit, modify content, and also share it with other teachers. So the first part, that is the application, consists in two parts. Well, there's a navigation tool. So, for example, this one, that you can navigate with the tablet screen, just by touching it. You can
so to explain to the people, you are using the same application against the regular Liquid Galaxy with PCs.
Yes.
You have shown us the tablet version.
The application can be used into the Chromebook's installation, and also in every Liquid Galaxy.
Okay.
Before I continue, I have realized that I didn't mention that the installation of Liquid Galaxy on Chromebooks, it's all documented here. You can access the wiki. Here there's a link, and everything is mentioned here. You follow the steps, and it should be easy to install it. And now I was talking about the navigation tool. It's working. I had to modify the script in order to make it a little more responsive, because it was a little bit laggy. And then the next part is the games part. There will be 5 kind of games, and now I have 2, and another one is in the middle, more or less, of the progress. It's in progress. The first one was trivia, a single player trivia, and the second is a multiplayer trivia. And I will show you what multiplayer trivia is. So here you have a screen that shows you, that lets you to the players put their names. I will put 2 players.
How many players can be?
4, maximum 4, but if you want to have it more, to be able to put more, I can edit that.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. Okay, so now we have added 2 players. When we click play, the game starts. So here there's a question. It's called, well, it's asking which is the city. We all know this is Paris, the Tour Eiffel. And here you have to drag and drop your name to the correct answer. So for example, I choose Paris, and let's say that Albert choose London because he's wrong. And when we check the answers, there's a pop-up showing that, hey, someone made a mistake. This, and the liquid galaxy moves to London. That was the mistake, the city that was mistaken, to be able to realize that, hey, I was wrong. This is not London. Okay, this is London. And then we can show, we click here and show the correct answer that was Paris. In this case, it's the same ubication.
And you have to explain that there will be some more work here. There will be some pop-ups, bubbles.
That's still being done. Just because I have to communicate with the early copies, and it's a little bit. I have to modify things, and it's not done yet.
But the question is that what will be the final? What will be here? Here
we will see a pop-up and extra information of the answer. So, like this is the Tour Eiffel. It was built in.
Information about the place.
Information.
Okay. It will pop up here without a bubble.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, now there's more questions. I will just go fast. Because here we have 8 questions. We can go back to see the answers, and now, for example, we cannot change what we answered previously, and well, that's it. So now.
So you're going to the end of the application to show us how the end.
Because now there's a screen that shows the results of. Okay, so now we can still check the answers, and then when we are in the last page, there's here a button that shows a finish button, and here that's it. This is what I answered, and the green ones are that you were correct, and here the other player. That's it.
What else? What are your plans for next month?
Okay, now I have to.
Oh, you have to show something else. You have to show how to share.
Now here, there's this screen that enables you to edit the question, the game. These screens, the answers, the voice. You can also here in this button. Add another page. Now there are 9 questions, and delete it, and it will return to 8.
So this is the editor. And how they will share every...
Yeah, well, here there's a button to create another game. Here you can choose an image and whatever. Okay, and to share, there's here at this button, this uploads the game to your drive, and it also shares it with Liquid Galaxy, well, the account of we have here. So we will be able to check if that game is good or not, like a censorship, and then upload it to a public repository, and here we will be able to download it in order to share.
This way, teachers around the world can share contents.
Exactly.
Okay, teachers and students. What else?
Okay, now I'm doing the find location game. Well, Geoguessr, or what it's called, Geofinder. You will be asked to find a place, and you will have a screen that you can navigate and go to where you think it's that place, and then with the distance between the two places, what you have answered and what it should be, I will make like a system where you have a score and that. And then there's another game that is called Millionaire, that you will have like who wanna be a millionaire, that you have an initial start amount of points, and you will have to place that points to the answers, and you will finish the game with an amount of score, and the greater the better. The greater the better.
Could you please explain what are those systems? What are the voice? The voice.
Here.
This and this.
Yes. Also the application will have a Google Assistant. A way to communicate with Google Assistant. The students will be able to play games through the Google Assistant.
Using the voice?
Yeah, using the voice.
Okay.
Using what Eric has done, and that will be the...
And we have these two different appliances. This is the original Google's AI kit, and this is the same, but in a 3D box, 3D printed box designed by our friends of Stimulo. Company specialized in design from Barcelona, and also this one developed by Luis Martinez, one of our students, that handles the tablet, and also has in the inner chips has the different systems for the Google Assistant. So the question is that students will have this on his table. They will be able to use the tablet to use your application, but also they will be able to interact with your application by voice. Yeah. This is something you will develop next month.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Anything else?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Well, I can explain what I have done this semester, but I have shown it. I don't
no, you have shown it. I mean, okay. The question is showing it. The important thing.
Then
okay. So thank you for your work. Nice work, and see you in 1 month.
Okay.
Thank you, Ivan.
Thank you.